Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use fishing radar in Fish It to find the best fishing spot quickly. First, just make sure you have both the fishing radar, and then once you have it, just tap on your fishing radar icon in your inventory, and then just tap on your character like this to activate the radar. And then next you will see colored spots appear on the map like this. It's indicating a fish spot and the dominant type of fish there. For example, like this. On this spot, it has a fire goby. And then in another spot, let's search it. For example, over here, it has a sushi cardinal. And then let's check another spot. For example, like this spot is dominant for bumblebee grouper, like this. And okay, that's it. Using Fishing Radar makes fishing and Fish It much faster and easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.